How does winning the buy box affect PPC performance? Great question. We did not thought of that until it happened to us. If you have buy box, you're eligible to advertising. The moment that you don't win anymore, whoever has the buy box, if they are selling your product under your listing, or you're just simply, there's no one selling the product and you don't have the buy box, your product is not showing up in the advertising console. Lesson learned the hard way. We were running ads for one of the brands 3 years ago when we didn't know better, but now we know better and we corrected, which is most important. They lost the buy box. We did not notice that they lost the buy box. Check on the buy box daily because that's affecting PPC. Now we know better. What we noticed is that there was zero spend and we did not figure out what happened. It was just like in our daily history log is like zero spend. Maybe just a glitch because Amazon is very often that they would have these technical glitches. The second day it was still zero spend and zero sales. And I was like, okay, let's give it 24 more hours and see what's going to happen. Third day we were troubleshooting. We had this troubleshooting list we put together. Usually when that happens is that the ads are going to be suspended. That way you can see it in the campaign. It's going to say still delivering, but the moment that you're going to open up the ad group, it's going to say that it's ineligible. That was not the case. The second thing that we checked is that, okay, do we still have inventory for this product? Occasionally what might happen is that they are just running out of stock. Again, we have now a better process on how to deal with inventory so we can forecast how much inventory we need. The third thing on the checklist was buy box issues. We checked the product and it was not a pricing issue in sense of that we lowered the price too much or we increased the price too much, but technically Amazon considers that for the past 30 days people purchased the product for lesser price, therefore they just suspended our buy box. So that was the way how we figured out that it was a buy box issue. The way we solved it is we reduced the price that Amazon recommended for the last 30 days as average, and then we got back the buy box. So that's why I'm saying that this is the biggest impact, how buy box can affect Amazon PPC performance. Now we know better. Do have a checklist in place whenever, if this happened, check this. If this happened, check this. If this happened, check this. It's going to be really helpful for you. So it's going to take out all the what's going on, I don't know. So that's going to be super helpful.